Most people in the music industry don't understand how money flows through it. That ignorance has cost producers and artists billions of dollars in uncollected royalties. This module ends that for you. Every song you create has the potential to generate 6 distinct revenue streams. Performance royalties, paid every time your song plays on radio, streaming, TV, in a restaurant, anywhere. Mechanical royalties, paid every time your song is reproduced, downloaded, or streamed digitally. Sync licensing fees, one-time payments for use in film, TV, advertising, or video games. Master royalties, paid to whoever owns the actual recording. Publishing royalties, paid to whoever owns the composition. And neighboring rights, international performance royalties, often overlooked, representing significant money for producers with global reach. The most important action you can take today is joining ASCAP or BMI. Both are free. Register every song you create starting today. There is money sitting in those databases with your name on it that you cannot collect unless you are registered. Don't leave it there. Module 1.